Alright, today I'm going to show you how to intersect two different objects. Let's start by drawing a box or a cube. We'll create a cube. We'll just leave it at that. That looks good there. Then triple click on it and right click, make group. So now we've got just a grouped cube here. Well, not quite a cube, close enough. Next up, we will make a cone. Start by making a circle. Draw a line straight up from it. Bring that line down, create a triangle. Hopefully you know how to make all these already because I'm just breezing through it. There we go, there's our triangle, or our cone. Triple click on it, make a group. Okay, we've got two different pieces and we want to intersect them. Let's say we want it to be right there. That works. That's good enough. We'll bring it down just a little so it passes all the way through both sides. Then we right click, intersect faces with model, just like that. Okay. Now we're going to explode this and explode that. Then we're going to delete this surface. Actually, I'll use the erase tool here and just erase these pieces here. We'll use the arrow here to highlight all that, erase it at once, and there you go. There's your part where the two pieces intersected.